in the land of digital gold. TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy, that's where it's at. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. And the lighting's a little off. There's a lot of stuff going on over here. A lot of stuff. But we are here to make you money. Now, the show may get cut off. Excuse me. The show may get cut off because I'm having electrical issues at the house. So I'm trying to give you a heads up on that. Got the electrician coming out hopefully tomorrow, but more than likely he said like 2 days, maybe 3, due to the weather, the snow, the ice, all that fun stuff. But we're here. We are here. And let's see who we got. We got Jesse in the house. Thank you, Jesse. Appreciate you, man, being here. We got username with the ribs. Username with the ribs. All right, mic is on. Let's see here. Going down the list. All set. All set is here. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. Yes, definitely, guys. Smash the like. Smash the like. It does help support the channel. If you have any coins you want me to do, I got my trusty notebook here. My trusty notebook. French toaster in the house. Dumb cough. Dumb cough. To here. Going down the list. Going down the list. Okay, there we go. All caught up. Username says electricians can't work in the snow in the south. I don't know, man. He said 2 days, maybe 3. I'm like, oh crap. All right. So we'll see how this goes. I ended up using my backup computer earlier and during my live stream, and at the very end, it cut off. I was like, oh crap. And then now this computer, my, I guess, main computer, I have another one that's better, but this main computer, it was working for like an hour and then it cut off. So I was like, oh man, let me see if I can get this. So if we go like 30, 40 minutes and then it shuts off, that's why. Like, I don't know what's going on. Some kind of power surge or something. But like I said, we'll see. Hopefully in the next couple of days. We'll see. All right. So right now it's green. Green. For the day it wasn't. You know, hopefully at the end of the day, this will all be green, but we'll see. We will see. Here we are on the date, on the hourly. Everything is green. Is Bitcoin going up, or did the alts depeg finally from from Bitcoin? Well, let's check it out. Let's go to our Bitcoin chart. Let's go. Oh, Bitcoin's coming down. Bitcoin's coming down. Wait a minute. This doesn't happen. When Bitcoin goes down, normally the coins come down too. And this has been 1, 2, 3 hours. But if we go back to our crypto bubbles, this hour is green. And the past hour was green. So why is this happening? Are the alts finally saying, Bitcoin, we don't care if you go down. We don't care if they're beating you up. We're going our own way. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this to be a nothing but green, even when we see nothing but red for Bitcoin. All right. So this right here, this is how other people do setups. And I'm in a bunch of groups. Some of them are paid. And these are how their setups are. For me, what I do is I tell you exactly when to enter. Enter right now. Add here. Do this. I don't do this. This is easy. Anybody can do this. Literally anybody. If it doesn't go here, and you get stopped out, okay, you go here. And if it doesn't, if you get stopped out and it keeps on going up, well, then now they have something like this. They have something like this. Like anybody can do that. I can do that all day. The hard part is saying, okay, you want to enter right now and X, Y, and Z. That's the hard part. But let's get out of here. Get out of here. So let's go ahead and just delete this. Delete, 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 delete. Now, this was our thought process from yesterday and the day before. So the day before yesterday price was here. And we're saying that we would really like the price action to come up here. And if it does, let's see, here I am live, right? I think I'm live. Looks like I'm live. However, my YouTube studio, it's not showing anything. Let me know if you can see my, my chart. Everybody in the chat, let me know if you can see my chart. That's so weird. That's never happened before. I see it on air live, but on my YouTube, wow, that's weird. So I'm going to fast forward it. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, here we go. Okay. Like weird. Okay. Yes, we see it. All right, cool. So that's what we're looking at. Price is here. We would like it to come up to here. With everything said and done, really what we want is a higher low. We want a higher low. So we have a low, higher low. We need a higher low. Here, I thought we were going to get a higher low. We didn't. Came back sideways. Kind of got rejected on the 200 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. Came back down. Then it just skyrocketed. Absolutely. This morning, 9:30 in the morning, just took off. Right when Army Piper was starting to talk, I was like, Piper, keep on talking. Keep on talking. And then it went up. Now, you could short, but when you're doing shorts, it's a scalp. In my opinion, it's a scalp until we break these, major levels down here. Now, could you short and then just add to your short or move your stop losses, hopefully in profit? Sure, of course, you can scalp. But for me, personally, it's too risky to short during a bull market. Are there going to be retraces? Of course. Are there going to be pumps? Of course. And here is doing a higher low. Came up. Now what we needed, this is what we needed to do. We needed to do a higher high. This right here. We needed to come down, come up, break this high. This is good. This, I already have it. This is not good. Where it comes up to here, and we did this yesterday. We were talking about this. The price action was right here, right in this area. And we're saying if it goes up to this area, man, spot on. 1 wick hit our bottom of our zone, but literally spot on. Came down and then maybe bounced here and going up. This is showing weakness. Even though we may create a higher low, because we did a lower high, here's our high, lower high, it's forming weakness. This next one that goes up, it has to break this in order for us to possibly, okay, let's do another all-time high. But if it doesn't break this, again, weakness, and more than likely it's going to come down, break the level that it just created, the pivot it just created, and then more than likely break this next level it just created, reach, right here, and then come down. So this is what I'm looking at. This is not good. We do not want to see this. And this is exactly what we're seeing. Price went to this exact level, and now it's coming down. Now, what I'm thinking it might do is still this, where it'll create a pivot, come up, continue to show weakness, come down, break this level, break this level. Now, from here, if it comes down and breaks this level, and all this is different. So if we have this happen, where it comes down, comes up. This is showing that there's a fight, but it's not strong enough. If it comes down and it breaks this level, this is showing, you know what? I tried. Here, I tried. I can't do it. You know, I'm just going to go home. Go home. Make me a sandwich. Comes over here, breaks this level, comes down, more than likely bounces here to do a double bottom, which won't last. It'll come down here, in my opinion. Now, when I say it won't last, that's not saying that I know what's going to happen. Just the price action, if it comes down here, in my opinion, it's not going to last. It's going to go up barely to my thought process, barely, and then come down. And I don't think that it'll even match this. So if it comes straight down, we'll be lucky if it comes and touches this. Come down, up, and then maybe a wick, and then come down some more. But anything can happen. Anything can happen. Let's see here, going down the list. Y'all need to check out my last video that I did. I have a trash talker. Ooh, trash talker. And read the comments. Read the comments. Joe, take them down. Take down the comments. No, thank you. So if y'all want some, it's kind of really light drama, but watch the whole video though. Watch my videos, guys. 12 o'clock. This was yesterday's. Yes, yesterday's. Ooh, drama. So watch my show. And then read the comments. All right, moving on. Going down the list. Any tokens, guys? That cough is concerning. It's not concerning. It's annoying. Cough is annoying. Not concerning. It's in the air, man. There's something in the air. The place I'm staying at probably has asbestos. Getting asbestos. Getting a bite to eat. All set. It better be ribs. It better be ribs. Throw some ribs in the chat. It better be some ribs. Let's see here. Dump it. Dump it to Zero. Retro Mike, is your middle name Zero? Ribs for life. Ribs for life. Let's see here. Yeah, exactly. Better be getting some ribs. All set. Better be getting some ribs. Let's see here. We got Salvador in the house. What's up, Salvador? So if anybody wants any coins, let me know. Right now I'm just stalling. And if I don't see any coins in the chat, we'll just go look at some coins that we looked at before. Or if you want to talk about something, let me know. If you want to talk about something, let me know. Okay. Going down the list. Let's see here. See. I see a whole lot of lines on top of that. Mediocre can. I'm telling you guys, like this right here, I did not want to see. I was afraid of this too. I really, really wanted to see a higher high. This right here, not confidence. This, and I even put it in my group, you know, and I made a video too. I said, when you see something like this, this is not healthy. You want to see up, down, up, down, up, down. It's like this. How it went up, came down a little bit, up. What ends up happening? Took it all back. There's too much liquidity here. Now, does it mean that the market makers have to come back down here? No. They can go up, make some more liquidity up top. But it's just, this is not sustainable. And now, could it have continued going up? Sure. New all-time high? Sure. But when it rolls over, pretty sure it's going to take quite a bit of that liquidity back. I don't know, though. I don't know. See here. I see the chart, Mexican spaghetti. Yes, I got a lot of stuff on here. I got to delete everything and start from scratch again. Because, and I like doing that, you know, once a week, once every other week, sometimes a couple times a week. I just delete everything. I forgot what the most number I had. It was a few hundred. I think like over 500. I said, get out of here. And start from scratch. Let's see how many drawings I have on right now. And that's because I delete a lot. 61, boring. Rookie numbers. OC approved. Nice. Very nice. Okay. See here. Moho says, a lurking in the back, but football's on. Actual football. Not carry ball in hands, but call if. Oh, so you mean soccer. Moho, you mean soccer? Let's see here. Coming down the list. Yeah, it is. It's pretty ironic. Like American football compared to everywhere else, I guess, football. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Like American football, we like what 1% use our foot for the ball. It's only one person, but we only use our hands. That's funny. Moving on. Uh-oh, Joe found my alt account. Here, going on the list. Snack. Okay, we're gonna get snack. I actually have some snack. I heard Charles, I think he was on, I forgot what kind of space he was on, what X space he was on, but he had mentioned that the only meme that he has is snack. And I was like, snack, let me get that. So I ended up getting it. I don't know where it's at though. I don't know what wallet I use. I don't know where it's at. I don't know. I probably bought like $10, $20. I don't even know. Hopefully I bought a few hundred. I don't know. No idea. Okay, going down the list. Let's see, Peak. Yeah, we look at Peak. Yeah, that one we've been looking at for the past couple of days. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Matter of fact, I have it on the chart too. I have it up here. Okay. See here, Rosh says, how about Onyx coin? Now, I think I got confused with Onyx coin and another coin. There's one coin that's not good, in my opinion. Could I be wrong? 100%. Could it make you money? Definitely. And I'm thinking it's Onyx coin. I don't know. We'll check it out. Onyx coin and Spell. Okay. Spell. Very good. We will get that for you, Rosh. Not a problem. Okay. All right, guys, let's make this money. Let's stop messing around and let's make this money. First one up. Well, since I have Peak up here, let's go ahead and look at Peak. This one was done on my channel. Of course, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oof, man. So we had it right here, like a 9% loss. And we entered, I think it was like here, higher risk, but at the bottom of the channel. And it's only one entry. We always do two entries. You always want to scale into the trade. We got stopped out 9%. We were only in 50% of our trade, but we still got stopped out. We set this up again. I believe it was yesterday. Normally I put dates on here, but I don't see a date. I think we got in here yesterday. Oh, no, wait. No. So we did the setup yesterday, the new setup, but we didn't enter yet. We have to wait for this. And here are the instructions. So here is the level that it needs to break. This is another level, but we're gonna wait for the 4-hour candle to close above this first level, 0.4034. If and when the 4-hour candle closes above this level, this is when we're gonna enter. Now we're only gonna add to our entry once this alert goes off and we have a candle close above this next level, 0.4312. Now we're in 100% of the trade. And then of course our stop loss is right here. But right now we're not in it, but this is an actual setup. And here you set your targets 50% each level. Let the rest be your moon bag. Just hold it for about 2-3 months. And then more than likely March, April, we'll be looking to sell all of the moon bags, because then that's when the market should potentially jump. Could it go sooner? Sure. Could it go later? Sure. You know, this is when what I'm going to be doing is basing it off of my moving averages and also the percentage from the highs coming down. So there's a few different tactics I'm going to use when it comes to taking profit. Okay. Let's see here. Jesse says, March, it will. Possible. So that's our setup for that one. Let us look at SNEC. So the next one up is going to be SNEC. And then we're going to look at Onyx Coin and Spell. So the next one is Snack Mexi. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's see here. Snack looks amazing. Wow, let's go to a daily time frame. That looks amazing right there. Look at this really nice run up. And I think I bought mine like in November. Ooh, doggy. Now I just need to find it. I need to find it so I can sell it. When did I buy it? No. I want to say it was like in maybe March. I probably bought it somewhere here. My luck. My luck, I bought it somewhere here. It's not bad, 200%. Not shabby at all. If I would have been lucky and maybe got it down here in February, I don't think so. I want to say it was in March, and my luck at the top. But let's just say I got it in April 15. I don't think I did. I'm pretty sure I did it. Look at that. What a month will do. 2x, 6x. Turn my $1 into a $6. Love it. All right. Look at this. I like it. It's moving. It's moving pretty good. What I enter right now? I don't know. What's the move? 15%. On the daily, it's going about 23%. Sure, why not? All right, but let's look at this. Let's go to our fib retracement. Make sure magnet tool is on. Let's go from the very bottom of the move to the very top of the move. We can see it wanted to balance right here on the 382. Came down above the 0.5, showing a lot of strength. Coming up, couldn't do it, came down, made a higher low, great, broke this level, amazing. Came up to the 236 and came down. Come up, came down. Higher low, broke the high, still couldn't break this high, came down, took out this. Man, this looks good. This looks really good. I don't think the price is going to come into the golden pocket. It can do whatever it wants, though. But if I had to pick a buy zone, it would be right here. This would be my buy zone. This would be my actual entry, right here. So do a lower entry. Let's go ahead and get this. Oh, wrong one. Here to this. And then now let's go ahead and do our this. Let's move this over a little bit. We're going to go to the lower time frame in just a moment. Change this to blue. I like it. So let's make sure that we have our magnet tool on. It is on the daily time frame. Getting just, I don't want to do this level, this level, this level, because this is like really tiny. What does the price range tool tell us? From here to here, 7%, then 18%. So you don't want to have level after level after level if they're really tight. You really don't want that. Okay. So now let's go ahead and look up here for our targets. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting my levels, Alt J, Alt J, Alt J, and one more, Alt J. Now we can get this, we can hide it. Now let's come back over here. Let's go to our 4-hour time frame. Now I'm zooming in, I'm looking at just the momentum, how it's moving. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of volatility, just boom, 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 all just, man. Came down, went up, broke the level, came down, went up, broke the level barely, went up, came down. So this level, banging tool, candle body. Am I getting it? Yeah, I got it. So this level right here, even though it's really tiny, is doing a lot of work. Went through here, but look at that. Did work there, did work there, did work here, did work here. Even though it's a tiny little support level / resistance, it's been putting some work over here, doing overtime over here. Okay. Now I'm looking at the candle bodies and also the wicks. Look at the size of the candle bodies. Now look at the size of this one. What happened when this happened last time? We had a nice pump. Took about more than 50%. Here, nice candle, nice bigger candle, big candle, bigger candle, bigger candle. And then it eventually took it out. Same thing here. For me, I would not enter right now. Due to the pump, the size of the candle, I would have a lower entry here though. Just in case it comes down. I really don't want it to come down. I want this strong level to maintain. If we do come down, I hope it's a wick like this. This is on a 4-hour time frame. Lately in this zone is nothing but wicks. Came up, wick. Came up, wick. Came up, possible wick. I'm thinking what's going to happen. I don't know. But I'm thinking what's going to happen. Price is right here. I think it's going to come down to about here. Possibly come up. Yeah. Come down. Come up. Come down. Maybe do a wick here. And then now we start coming up. Here's what I think might happen. And then let me just draw this out. So we get this and then wick. It looks like a balloon. It's not a balloon, it's a wick. Gosh darn it. Why do I always straight down? There we go. Let's delete this. Let's try to do a box. Nope. Is there a way for me to go? Oh, wrong one. Concentrate. There we go. And that was a lot of concentration. Okay. So this is what I think is going to happen. Could I be completely wrong? 100%. 100%. But I do think that it's going to come down, come up, start doing this number. This final candle is going to kind of do something like this. And hopefully our lower entry gets hit. If it doesn't, oh well. We just monitor it the next maybe, oh, I don't know, day, 2 days. Check on it. Now, if you want a safer entry, I really want it. Let me see again. Let's move this up. Magnet tool activated. So what I'm doing, looking at the candle bodies, candle wicks, and all the ups and downs, and basically what it forms, you know, higher highs, higher lows. Entering this one's tricky, in my opinion. And the reason I say that is because as soon as we enter here, we have a pretty good resistance levels right here. And like this zone right here is really strong. Even though we only have this and this, let's draw it out. So it's our top, it's our bottom. Let's change this to gray. Let's just bring it over, just so we can see. Like none of this was able to pass it up top. Then on the bottom, this right here. It's not the best. It's not the best one. Do I want? Man, I look brown like crazy. That's because I adjusted the thing. Do I know for sure I don't want to enter right now. Let's see, what's the price percentage? From here to here, 10%. Here to here, 20%. So what I would do is I would do an entry right here, a lower entry. So again, not entering right now, but one right here. So lower entry. Let's get the coordinates. Let's do this as well. So we're not entering at the moment. We just have this here. For me, this one's really tough because what I'm seeing, my intuition is saying that if we do break up here, it's going to come right back down again. Unless we bounce off of this area. But people like taking profits, and nothing wrong with that. Here, man, that was an amazing move. If this wasn't here, easy setup. Easy setup. We would just enter right at, this would be an entry spot. But because this is here, this is showing me this is a really tough level to break. I don't know why I'm stuck right here either. I don't like it. I don't like this part right here. So we'll do a smaller one. We're gonna make it red. Red for danger. Red for danger. And what I don't want to do is I don't want to keep on saying wait. Because let's just say it does come up, well, hopefully it goes sideways for a little bit, kind of cool off. And then more likely down. Let's say it comes down, but doesn't go to our lower entries. It comes down and then goes up. We miss the lower entries. We check on it a few days later. And it came up here. What we really want to see is something. We want to see this. I'm afraid that if it comes down to the level that it broke out from, the level that it broke out from, I'm afraid that if it comes back here after this breakout, that it's not going to get support. I think it's going to come down. So let me just put that on here, just so we can have that for a clarification. If price action returns to this level, I don't want to put all the numbers, this level, very high, oh, I don't know how to spell this, probability, probably, price action will not hold the level. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here like this. So my thought process, lower entries. If we do come up, now if we have these lower entries already and it fails to hold this, not a problem. We're in this and we're in the gains. We're in profit. And then more than likely it'll do a higher low. It'll come down here. Maybe even have another chance to get another entry. Let's draw it out. Something like this. That's what I think. I could be wrong. Let's see here. Retro Mike Tech says it's a tie between CAS and virtuals. If I had to pick one, I would pick virtuals for sure because virtuals is hot. CAS, I think it had its run. Could it still do? Sure. Why not? See here. All right. So that is for that one. Okay. So we spent a lot of time on that. And next one we're going to do is Onyx coin. Now, what I want to do is refresh my memory on this coin. I think I remember it. Onyx coin. So it's this one. XCN. And it looks very familiar. So the market cap is 573 million. Go to the all-time. It's been around since March of 2022. We're going on 3 years. We had a pump in 2023, December 2023. Look at this very slight little pump, very slight. And it's a small market cap. This should have pumped. The whole entire market pumped. Then in March, April of 2024, we had another pump. This is when everything was great. And here we see this little sliver. I don't know if y'all can even see it, that it moved. Now, granted, small market cap, it should have moved. Okay. Now it's moving now. It's moving now. Did they do something? Did they get a new partner? Did they update their roadmap? See, price means nothing to me. Anybody that really knows me knows this. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. All right. Let's see here. Let's go to let's look at the markets. They've been around 3 years. Coinbase, excellent. Okay. KuCoin, nice. Mexico. So they're on good exchanges. They're on good exchanges. I thought we were going to be very exchanges. Good. KuCoin, Mexi, Kraken, Coinbase, big, got it. See, what else can we see? Base ecosystem. Okay, so let's see, what are they? What is the coin? The backbone of decentralized Web3 protocols. Okay. You can stake. I love doing that. Okay. Community, got it. Now the thinking part, that may be my computer. Possible. Let's go to dApps. Staking only. Okay. 30% APY, 30.25. Impressive. Let's go to the Twitter. Let's go to the Twitter space. On Twitter, they've been around 3 years. Well, here, it's only been a year. 3,500 people. Not exciting. Do they post? Do they post? I don't see anything. Not good. A year, no post? The white paper, just really quick. Motivation, boring. Programs, case security, conclusion. Let's see, they've been around 3 years already. I want to see if it gives like a date for their white paper, if they've updated it. Okay, now security, governance. Governance of what though? I know it said Web3. What do they do? Web3 protocols. Where are their what protocols? Where's their ecosystem? Am I missing it? Am I just looking too much into this and I should just buy the coin? Where's their ecosystem? Like what do you vote on? Just the staking? Governance. Well, that's thinking. Could this make a lot of money? Sure. Why? Low market cap. And because of low market cap, oh yeah, let's look at their volume. 141 million in the day. Debatable. KuCoin 20 million, 16 million, 3 million. Okay. So that's enough of the research. Now let's look at the token. So there's no news. Look at the token. Okay. So let's go and put this. Oh, I forgot to do the dates. Today is January 23, 2025. And the time is 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this to our watch list of YouTube. Next one, it's, oh yeah, Onyx Coin. I already forgot the ticker. Come on, Joe, get it together. XCN. Yeah, always give me the ticker. XCN, USDT. Mexi. Oof, no. No. And matter of fact, we looked at this on the 17th when the price was way up here. And I said, more than likely it's going to come down here, come up, come down. Well, it came down to the area that I thought it was going to come down to. It went up to the area I thought it was going to go up to. It went up to the area I thought it was going to go up to. Can't nobody close this, of course. And then when I think it's going to come down, it needs to break this level, it said, nope, get out of here, Joe. We're going to the moon. It came all the way up here, did a double top kind of with the wicks, did a close here, and came down, came up, moon mission candle. This is what I did not think was going to happen. From here, come down and blast up. This is what I thought was going to happen. Come down. Here we have a higher low, broke this level. Now, if we would have seen it, so let's just say we saw it here. So let's do a replay. Let's say somebody asked me about this coin again. And now I'm looking at it. I said, okay, it's looking good. You know, I had this nice run up. Hopefully I didn't do any research. Because if I do research, I don't like the coin. It hasn't done anything. What is it doing? Like, do you need to know fundamental to make money? Nope. Sometimes that'll hinder you because you know how many people are trading it. You know what the coin is. You know how many active users are on Telegram and Twitter and everything. So that can hinder your thought process on entering a coin because you know all these facts about the coin. I was like, I don't like it. However, can I make money? Sure, of course. We just saw it. Now, if I'm looking at this and I don't know anything about the coin, man, this looks great. Came up, had a very nice retrace into the golden pocket, came up, made a lower high, not a problem, coming down potentially. Now, again, what I do is I always look at it as if it's right now. I don't know that it moon missioned right now. I see that we have a low potential bounce here. We saw it bounce, potential bounce. Now for me, the 4-hour candle must close above this level for me to enter. Okay. I have my alert set above these wicks. Okay. And this next candle goes off. Nope, nothing. Oh, dang it. So that was it. So then my alert goes off. I check the coin. Holy moly. It's way up here. Do I enter? Not even. Crazy. Pump City population, not me. Get out of here. Then it's going up some more. Still not going. Going up some more. Still not entering. Because I know as soon as I enter, it's coming down. And I have to wait for this candle to close in order for me to enter. Finally, it closes here. Do I enter? Nope. Why? Huge selling pressure. Selling pressure makes sense, though. We had this huge run up from here only to here, 56%. That's pretty big. The total was 114%. Just these two candles. In 8 hours, it did that. Could it continue? Sure. Will I enter it? No. Too risky. Extremely risky. Even putting aside everything I know about this token, and especially what I don't know about the token, as far as what the governance for, like what do you vote on? The staking, that's it, really? And then, of course, it didn't pump in any of the other times that other coins pumped. To me, this looks like a coin that is being talked about on pump groups. To me, that's what this looks like. I'm not going to be a victim. I'm not going to be exit liquidity. Now, what I would like to see are candles this size. I would like to see candles this size. A little bit bigger than those. Not like this. This is nobody's buying. This is a bot. A bot. Buying, selling, buying, selling. That's what that is. This is somebody who doesn't know about order books. And they bought $100, $500,000, whatever it is. And it just shoots up and then comes right back down. Whenever I see wicks like this, I don't like it. It screams low volatility. It screams that the buyers are buying and the sellers are selling just a little bit. Like they'll sell 10 here, 100 here, 200 here, 50 here, 200 here. So if you want to buy 1,000 of these tokens, because they're only 0.002 cents, you want to buy, you know, $1,000. No, not $1,000. You want to buy a total of 1,000 tokens. I don't have my calculator, but y'all can do the math. It's just a few dollars, $50, $100, whatever it is. But because somebody's selling 30 of them here, 50 here, 20 here, when you buy those tokens, it shoots up the price. And it comes right back down because the person sold it, sold it to you, and now the price comes down. I don't like tokens like this. Can you make money? Yeah. Especially if it gets in a pump group. And right now it's going up. In my opinion, and not to speak badly about anybody, in my opinion, these are people who are, how do I say this to be, now if I was on my channel, man, I just spit it out. But I'm on Piper's channel, so I got to kind of reserve. In my opinion, people who are buying this really don't take into consideration market structure or trading for that matter. People who would enter this, it's more of, it's going up. I want to be a part of that ride. What you want to do is you want to be a part of this ride. Once it breaks the level, then you enter, and then hopefully it goes up. Like this stuff right here screams to me, like anytime, like people ask about this, one, they can be trying to pump their bags, which is often what happens. Two, they may be in the coin that they got way up here and now it's down. They're thinking, should I exit? Because they are exit liquidity. Three, people who got lucky down here kind of want to show off. But in my opinion, I stay away from it. As far as a setup, I would need for it to pull back. I would need for it to pull back, and then you can enter down here, and more than likely pull back down to here. Hopefully it doesn't break this level. We'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. Retro Mike Tech says, many exchanges listings require the project to run a buying selling bot, provides constant liquidity. I've created bots for projects. It's not ideal, but it's in their listing contract terms. Yeah. And it just makes sense. I mean, because if an exchange is going to host a coin, it's taking up a spot. I want to get paid if I'm the exchange. I want to get paid for you renting this spot. And that's what they do. They get that bot to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And it's a little bit of money that is generating, and it's showing that there's an active order book. So if you go, because I mean, I've been into some exchanges where I enter the exchange and I'm looking at the order book and I'll see it like this: 10 seconds, 40 seconds, 2 minutes. It's like, nobody's buying this. Nobody's on here. Like, you want to go where there's liquidity. You want to go where there's buyers and sellers, because it's going to be easier to buy something and also to sell something. So, hey, Retro Mike Tech says, I know something. I told you, man, you're super smart. When I finally get this electricity working, I have an extension cord running to my neighbor 20 miles away. No, I'm playing. But see here, did you see the news? No. Be more specific. Did you see what happened outside? Huh? Yeah, the thing that happened outside. Did you see it? When? Today? 5 minutes ago? What? Like, what are you talking about? Yeah, the outside. Wait, what? Yeah. Let's see here. That's how Carl the Moon got rich off his, yeah. Yeah, people don't know. What? Really? That's crazy. That's crazy. But what's crazier, people buying this. This screams to me pump group. This screams to me pump group, and people who don't know what they're doing. That's what screams to me. But Joe, I'm making money. I'm making a lot of money, Joe. Okay. I hope you're cashing out too. I hope you're catching out. Right now it's up 65%. If you're entering this coin, it screams to me that you are a newer trader. It's up 70%. I'm going to buy right now. Okay. I wouldn't touch it. Everybody here is going to get wrecked. Now, here's the thing with pump groups. The owner of the pump group is buying here and here. Hey guys, I have a coin. It's going to do a 50x, guys. The last time we did one, it did a 75x, and he's buying and buying. I'm going to tell you about it tomorrow, guys. I'm about 48 hours. I've been in those groups, guys. I know what I'm talking about. It's going to be 48 hours, guys. And he's pumping you up. He's hyping you up. And then a day comes and he's still buying. He's still buying his token. And 24 hours, guys, 24 hours. Then an hour before. All right, guys, hopefully you're ready. 1 hour, guys, 1 hour. Then he puts all these sell orders in. He releases the coin to the group. Market buy, guys, market buy, because when you're trying to buy, it keeps on going up because there's all these other suckers. That's right, I said it. There's all these other suckers in that group. I was a sucker. There's all these other suckers in the group that can't enter the coin because it keeps on moving too fast. So then you want to buy $500 worth, market buy, and you are cranking up the price. And the whole time, this guy's laughing all the way to the bank. He's selling to you. And the price comes down. Keep on buying, guys. Keep on buying. You know, diamond hands, guys. Diamond hands so he can make more money. And what happens? Oh, okay, George. Okay. Okay, George. Let me buy some more, George. It's going up to 50K, George. Or 50X. And then he sells. Come on, guys. This is the third pump, guys. This is third pump. We have like 12 Xers. We have 5 Xers in here. Keep it going. Keep it going. Diamond hands. Buy more. Market buy. Market buy. Oh, okay, George. Okay. Okay, George. Here we go. George, we're doing it. And it gets me upset. All these people are new people. I'm trying to save these people. It's a hard mission. It's a hard mission. All right, moving on. This is like seeing a puppy get hit by a car. That's what I see when I see this. Is a puppy getting hit by a car. Let's check out Spell. I can already say this one's going to be another pump group. Spell token. So this looks good. I mean, we had the pump. I'm not even going to look at the this is me. Trade Intuition. Watch me live. So market cap is 130 on my channel, of course. That's what we're looking at. Price was here. It pumped. Look at the candle size. Look at this candle sizes. Yep. Poor puppy. That's what I'm saying, guys. When I see that, I see like a puppy dog getting hit. It breaks my heart. And there's all these people. Guys, man, you know, I made so much money. And then they're tricking other people because they just happen to get lucky. And everybody else comes into this group, whether it's free or paid or whatever, and they get wrecked. It's sad. Let's see, Arsmiller says, I'm sorry you all don't believe me. Believe you in reference to the intensive care? I didn't say I did. But look at the candle body. Sorry. Look at the candle body closes. Or the candle bodies. Selling pressure. There's a small coin. Small coin, okay? Candle bodies, and then boom, huge sell pressure, boom, huge buy pressure. Price was right here. I said more than likely come down. If it does come up, you know, we're watching for this. Sure enough, came down into our buy zone. We entered the trade. If you were looking at this and you were, you know, on my channel, whatever, came up here to resistance, came back down, broke out of this level. See, this is nice price action. The other one that we're looking at, it wasn't, it was, I mean, this is like ups and downs. So this is good. This is on the 4-hour time frame. The other one, not so much. Huge, massive gains. DeFi as well. Huge, massive gains. Then people take profit. You got to. Part of the game. That's what's going to happen to that other coin. It's going to do this number. So if you're in profit, take it. And then it came up, came down, pumps, man. This one likes to pump. Take that profit though. Came down. So here's another pump. What's happening right now? People selling. They're doing exactly what you want to do. They want to buy low, sell high, sell high. Now, granted, I wouldn't have bought down here. I mean, if you were doing a fib retracement and those are the nice levels that you wanted, then great. But it's too risky. Well, there's no pivot. There's like it needs to break this in order to enter, but then you don't want to enter here because of this huge candle. So those 27% for these two candles, it's not bad, but it's, okay. So now what we're going to do, clear the slate. Get out of here, everything. Clear the slate. We're going to look at this on the daily time frame. I like this, man. This one looks way better than another one. Way better. Just the market structure and everything, all the ups and downs. Man, this would have been a really nice cup and handle. But Joe, you always make fun of cup and handles. Do I really? I make fun of them when they need to be making fun of. It's not the best. It's not the best. But, ooh. Fine, I'll just draw with my pencil. We got the cup. We got the handle. Now, the handle, by rule of thumb, it should be 1/3 from here to here to that's half. Nope. Too much. I was really thinking that was going to do. So it would have to have stopped about here. If we kind of squint our eyes some more. So never mind. Y'all can call that a cup and handle. I won't. It does look nice though. Here to here. But it needs to break this level. Can't do it. All right. Get out of here, patterns. Okay. So let's just make it easy. Magnet tool on. Here's the level. Here's the level. Here's the level. Okay. 4-hour time frame. Broke down, came up, broke down. When you're dealing with these smaller market cap coins, it's sometimes it's tough. This one is tough as well. I don't think it'll come down more. It's a dangerous thing to say with the low market cap coin. Because it literally just about tapped to 786. Coming down. Okay. Here's my thought process. From here to here, this is the level that we need to watch. I'm pretty sure this is what's going to happen. Does it mean that it will? No. Sure doesn't. This is what I'd say it might. From here, come down. Well, hold on. Let me look at the previous price action. After a run up, takes it all back. Like when there are little moves, like here, coming up, took it all back. Nice run up, took it all back. So in this one, like, you have to sell. Whenever you start getting profit, you have to sell. Because all of this took it all back. Then all of this took it all back. Then all of this took about half of it back, if not a little bit more. I don't want to say it's going to take it all back. So let's see what this one did. 78%. And sometimes it's helpful just looking to see what it's done before. Boom, right to the 786. Boom, right here. Came up almost and then went up. So here it came up to the 7862. So hopefully it won't come down lower than that. By 4 hour. Okay. So that helped me out. So what I'm thinking might happen, nobody knows. I also don't want it to take all of this gains back. I want to do something like this. I'm gonna say come all the way back down. Come up, come down, come up. And then now hopefully we can make some money. Hey, what happened to my thing that I just drew? Did I delete it? Oh, it's right here. I forgot. And here we have a lot of selling pressure. So this zone right here is really the tough zone that we're gonna have to. Man, I don't want to do such a large zone. Man, that's humongous. What's that? 15%? 20%? That's too much. Get out of here, zone. We'll shrink it up. Kind of body close, kind of wick. What we need to do is once it breaks above this, we do not want to come back down below this. 0.001170, 'Cause if we do, extremely high chance we're going to take back all the gains we just did, come back down to here. We don't want to see that. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. And I know you guys are just, I love this. You're like big old family over here. Just talking to each other, going back and forth. I love it. But I do thank you guys very much. You guys are the best. Will these coins make you money? Sure. Just be very careful. Make sure that you are selling and taking profit on the way up. Please don't hold it because somebody's telling you it's going to do a 10x or 20x. Please take your profit, and that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. We will see you on the next video. Until the next one, let's make this money. Take care, guys.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission.
All right, guys, take care.